start solving. So first of all, we want to know whether it has a potential function or not. Okay, so we know, okay, f bar has a potential function. We know f bar has a potential function if and only if curl f bar equal to 0 bar, because four statements are equivalent. I said f bar as a potential function means it is conservative. F bar is conservative means curl f bar is 0 bar. Curl f bar is 0 bar means there exists a scalar function f such that del f equal to f bar. Okay, so if at all f bar is a having a potential function, curl of this vector has to be 0. So first of all we shall verify whether curl is 0 bar or not. So dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. First component of f bar is y square minus 2xyz cube. Second component is 3 plus 2xy minus x square z cube. Third component is 6z cube minus 3x square y z square. Is it okay? So so let us find out del cross f bar. Okay, so what is dou by dou y of the third component? Dou by dou y of the third component is minus
minus
3x
3x square
square
z.
z square minus dou by dou z. Dou by dou z of the second component. Dou by dou z of the second component is uh, 0 0 minus 3x square z square. Minus or minus, it has to be plus. Can you see it? Okay. Dou by dou y of this component is this minus dou by dou z of this component is minus 3x square z square. Minus or minus gets cancelled. Okay. Minus j into dou by dou x of third component is minus 6x y z square minus dou by dou z of the first component is minus 6xy z square plus k into dou by dou x of the second component is 2y minus 2x z cube minus dou by dou y of the first component is 2y minus 2x z cube. Okay, now you notice that all the terms are getting cancelled. The answer you are getting it as 0 bar. Therefore del cross f bar you got it as 0 bar. Do you agree? So because curl f bar is 0 bar, from this I can say, therefore f bar has a potential function f such that del f equal to f bar. But what do you mean by del f? I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z must be equal to f bar. Okay, let me call it as f1. Second component of f bar is f2. Third component of f bar is f3. So this has to be equal to f1 I bar plus f2 j bar plus f3 k bar. And we know two vectors are equal if and only if the corresponding components are equal. Therefore, equate the corresponding components. Dou f by dou x must be equal to f1. What is f1? First component. First component is y square minus 2xy z cube. And dou f by dou y must be equal to f2. Dou f by dou y must be equal to f2. So what is f2? 3 plus 2xy minus x square z cube. And dou f by dou z must be equal to f3. What is f3? 6z cube minus 3x square y 3x square y z square 3x square y z square. Is it okay? Now we take each equation and try to find out the unknown function f. Okay. Now dou f by dou x, take the first equation. Dou f by dou x equal to y square minus 2xy into z cube. If dou f by dou x equal to y square minus 2xy z cube, then what could be f? Can you guess? Integral of this expression with respect to x by treating remaining variables as constant, right? So what could be that function?
xy square minus x
xy
square y
minus x square y
x square y z cube
plus some constant. What could be that constant?
In terms of y
could
and
consist
z.
of
In
x,
terms of
x and
Z.
y
y
and z.
and z, because you are differentiating with respect to x here, y and z also
Y
can
and
be treated as constant. So it is not necessarily just arbitrary constant, it can be an arbitrary function also. Okay, so our aim is to find out f. In f we already got two terms. What is unknown is now phi. Now if you can find out phi, then the whole function is known. Okay, to find out this unknown function phi, we are going to use the remaining two conditions. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall I proceed? Okay, so I'm going to the next slide. So I am going to copy this in the next one. Okay, so xy square. So what we have now is f equal to, can you tell me that function?
xy square
Xy square
minus x square y z cube.
x square y z cube. Okay, x square y z cube. Okay, z cube plus some function of y and z.
Y and z.
Now I will differentiate this with respect to y. If I differentiate this with respect to y, what do you get? 2xy
2xy minus
x
square z cube.
X square z cube plus dou phi by dou y.
Dou phi.
Is it okay? But we know dou phi by dou y is equals to second component of f bar. What is second component of f bar? 3 plus 2xy 3 plus
Minus x
2xy
minus
x square z cube minus x square z cube. Therefore equate these two. Therefore, okay, 3 plus 2xy minus x square z cube must be equal to 2xy minus x square z cube plus dou phi by dou y. Okay, cancel out the terms. Okay, so you can cancel out 2xy x square z cube. So what is remaining is now dou phi by dou y is equal to 3. Okay. So when dou phi by dou y equal to 3, then what could be phi?
3y.
3y
by
plus
a function of z.
some function of z, because already phi contains only two variables, y and z. X is not at all there. X is ruled out. Is it okay? So if at all there is another variable, that variable has to be z, because you are considering, you are differentiating with respect to y here. That means other variable z has to be treated as constant. So now we got some more expressions, terms for f. So what is f now? Xy square minus x square y z cube plus, in place of phi I can substitute, in place of phi I can substitute 3y plus xi of z. 3y plus xi of z. Can you see that? I can substitute the expression for
Yes.
phi. Okay. Now I will differentiate this with respect to z. So what is dou f by dou z? Dou f by dou z is first term derivative is 0 minus 3x square y z square, third term derivative 0 plus, because it is a function of single variable, dou by dou z becomes d by dz. D by dz of xi of z is nothing but xi dash of z. Okay, but we know dou f by dou z is the third component. What is the third component? 6z cube minus 3x square y z square. 6z cube minus 3x square y z square.
Z square.
Okay, so from this therefore from this what we get? Minus 3x square y z square plus xi dash of z equal to 6z cube minus 3x square y z square. Again cancel out common terms. Minus 3x square y z square minus 3x square y z square, it gets cancelled. So what is remaining is xi dash of z is equal to 6z cube. Okay, and that is that should be. So are we in the right line? We are in the right line, because left hand side is purely function of z. Right hand side also you are seeing purely function of z. If you are seeing some other variables, then that means somewhere you did mistake. Okay, so now we are on the right path. So when psi dash of z equals 6z cube, then what will be psi of z? The first
Eight.
order differential equation, right? 6 by 4 z power 4. Integration of z cube is z power 4 by 4, plus I can add some arbitrary constant. Is that okay? Now substitute this xi in the function. Okay, therefore what is your function? Therefore f is equals to xy square minus
minus
x square y z cube x
plus
square y z
3y
plus 3y
plus
plus
6 by
3
z
by
power
2,
4
3 by 2, 6 by 4 is 3 by 2 z power 4 plus
plus
c.
c.
Okay, now what is the question? We are asked to find out a potential function, but how many potential functions you got? Infinitely many. Why? Because c is an arbitrary constant. You can give infinitely many values to c. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see this? So if at all there is a potential function for a given vector function, there will be infinitely many potential functions for the same vector function. Okay, now sometimes some condition may be given. Okay, additionally, okay, find, question may be like this. Additionally, find f if f of 1 0 1 is equals to 8. Given that f of 101 equal to 8, then what you have to do? You have to substitute x equal to 1, y equal to 0, and z equal to 1 in the function and get the value of c. Okay, so that means what? Xy square 0 minus x square by 0 plus 3 into 0 0 plus 3 by 2 into z power 4 is 1 power 4 plus c equal to 8. That means c equal to what? 8 minus 3 by 2. 16 minus 3 is 13 by 2.
13 by
Okay, therefore what is your function is therefore the function is xy square minus x square y z cube plus 3y plus 3 by 2 z power 4 plus 13 by 2. 13 by 2. Is this clear? So that is how we are going to find out mm, the unknown arbitrary constant. Okay. Okay. So it's an important model. Okay. So finding a potential function for a given vector function is an important model in vector calculus. Now I said not every function will have a potential function. Not every function will have a potential function. We'll see an example of it. Okay. So shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So see this problem. Is f bar equals to x square y I bar minus 2xy 2xz j bar plus 2yz k bar. F bar equal x square y I bar minus 2xz j bar plus 2yz k bar having a potential function. Okay. So how do you check whether it is having a potential function or not? Consider curl f bar. What is curl f bar? I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z. Okay, first component of f bar is x square y, second component is minus 2xz, third component is 2yz. Okay, so find out the curl. So this is going to be I bar into what is dou by dou y of this 2z minus
2z.
dou by dou z of second component is minus 2x.
2x.
Here itself we can say that the function will f bar will not have a potential function because for a potential function curl f bar must be 0 bar. Curl f bar is 0 bar if and only if each of the component is 0. Now you can clearly see first component itself is non-zero. Is that okay? Therefore it is not a conservative field. Minus j bar into dou by dou x is 0 minus dou by dou z is 0 plus k bar into dou by dou x is minus 2z minus dou by dou y is x square. Okay, now this is a non-zero vector. Okay, so this is a 2x plus 2z into I bar minus x square plus 2z into k bar, which is non-zero. Okay, which is a non-zero vector. Therefore del cross f bar equal to is not equal to 0 bar. Simple as that. F bar is not a conservative field, and hence we can conclude that f bar does not have a potential function. What do you mean by f bar does not have a potential function? That means, okay, there does not exist any scalar function f such that del f equals to f bar. Whatever the method you try, that is not going to work out, because curl f bar is non-zero bar. It will not, definitely it will not have a potential function. Okay, so this is an example to say that not every vector function will have a potential function. So if you want to if you want to find out a potential function, make sure that it is irrotational. Make sure that it is irrotational. Irrotational means what? Irrotation means curl f bar must be 0 bar.